Hello, Top people. Nivvi is back with her podcast. On my Nivvi's Expression Day, I wanted to thank all our Top mentors who took position of our parents and are ready to guide and guiding all of us in a right path to make our dreams come true. Do you know how big it is? Do you know how many people even think about the people around us? Do you know how huge heart is needed to support all of us? Do you know how difficult it is to give their time to all of us? Do you know how important and lucky we are with them? Do you know how happy our lives are becoming because of their presence and support? The main and most important thing I really love in mentors is they set their mindset to ours and speak with us, which is really rare. Our top mentors always think of how to provide value to the people. Our top mentors always think of learning from each other rather than comparing each other. Our top mentors always think of gratitude mindset rather than attitude mindset which the world has. These all qualities made our top mentors special in this world. I could confidently say these are the people equal to many great leaders who fought for our country because our leaders, so-called top mentors, are doing it for students, which means they are doing it for the upcoming future. Who all do this for a better world for the world? Who all think of sustainable development? Who all think of growing the people and the world? Who all think of making the world and themselves best every single day? But Mana Top Mentors does all this. They are equal and more than the leaders of our country. Just look at the world, full of egos, full of attitude, full of judgmental based thinking. Look at Top Mentors' world, full of kind hearts, full of humble nature, full of positive minds, full of down to earth nature, full of accomplished people, full of leaders who wish to grow others. I'm blessed to know each and every mentor who supported me and accepted me indirectly and directly for the way I am. They don't think about the grades. They don't think about financial status. They don't think about our looks too. The only thing they focus is our attitude towards the life. They only want us to be good to the world and for the world. They only want us to provide value to the world like them. They only want us to stay happy wherever we go. Actually, who will always think this way? Even our relatives don't think about us this way. Our top mentors are really making a huge difference in our lives. We are blessed to have them in our lives. Let's not hope for the best, let us be the best. Thank you.